What's up guys, welcome back to another video. What's up? We are here at the JRP event and we're checking out some dope builds. There's a drag side, there's a circuit side, no drifting today, so let's see how today goes. It should be a dope day with like super nice cars.
Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, on the track, man, get it back, man, in the fast lane. Put my feet up, got my back game.
Holy shit, look at this thing. This 11 Gen Civic SI looks absolutely insane. Look at this. Wow. You don't see this too often. I know HPD does like some stuff, but this is directly from Honda, eh? Let's check that out.
There's chassis number and everything.
Wow.
There's no VIN on it.
That's insane. What's something like this cost?
55 US.
55 US, it's not bad. It's fully gutted and ready to go.
The only thing we've done is the wrap, passenger seat, the chill out system in the trunk.
Damn.
Right? And radio.
Very, very cool. And is this running the 1.5 still?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
Full bolt on, I'm assuming.
No, it's like
Stock?
pretty much, except for a downpipe.
Wow. I had a 10 Gen Civic SI myself, so I did quite a bit to it.
Very similar, but the only thing we've been allowed to do is it comes with the downpipe,
Yeah.
and then it has an intercooler.
Yeah, intercooler definitely.
But no, stock airbox.
Suspension,
It's got Bilsteins in it.
beautiful. And it comes OEM suspension, I'm assuming? Or?
OEM pickup points.
Nice.
But
nice.
it's full Bilsteins with coilovers.
Wow. This thing's impressive, man. I thought you personally did this.
I wish. No, you can buy it from Honda.
Yeah, I didn't know that. And it came with the
building for like 2 weeks.
It came
with
with
woods.
Wow.
Yep.
Air ducts, the brake ducts
But
there.
it's all on rubber bushings. Like, there's nothing
No
solid.
spherical. So
Except for 2 pieces in the rear.
feel somewhat
fine.
streetable.
Very.
I was not expecting to be here today. Thank you so much for letting me do this.
Oh, no problem.
I am so excited. This is so dope. This car comes like this, which is an absolute insane. I didn't know you can actually buy this way, but let's see how this thing does. Most of you guys know I did build a 10 Gen Civic SI, but it's nowhere near this. You know, it's gonna be cool to actually feel what this thing can do. This thing's so impressive. It's so impressive that you can actually buy this from Honda. This was so much fun. Oh my God. Josh,
Supposed to be a racing division.
you're next.
I'm gonna bet.
Got to hop in that HPD 11 Gen Civic SI, which is super, super dope. I didn't even know that was a thing, but I appreciate him taking us for a drive. Josh went for a drive too, and that was super, super sick. But yeah, let's see where it's going. We got a little more drag racing happening now. See if the boys can hit that elusive 7 seconds. Let's see how it goes. lineup of the Garage16 drag cars. We have Reno's Integra, Kevin's CRX, then Danny's crazy EK. This thing is absolute, like, look at this. Look at these cars. This is the stuff we're associated building with. Not trying to toot our horns too much, but you know, it's pretty freaking dope. I want to go eat. We're hungry.
Let's go.
Vamos mangiare. I'm not Italian. I'm not I'm so happy this place is open. This is probably one of the best burgers, in my opinion, around here. And we don't get to eat it often since we don't come here that often, but it's super, super dope to be able to like come here, and they're gonna make one of my favorite burgers I've had in a long time. Joshua wants to try, I think, what was it, the hot chicken wing challenge or some shit like that?
No, so it was a ramen place.
The ramen place.
So me, Kyle, not Casper.
First of all, Kyle, thank you for being an OG
Yes.
and covering the shop with Rick.
Thank
you guys
you.
are the best.
I love you.
Letting us go here and film this fun stuff.
But yeah, we're gonna try to do a hot challenge, like you know those spicy challenges. I
gonna
think
die.
it's at Common Ramen, if I'm not mistaken, or if
I have an ulcer. It's not good, but I'll do it if you guys want to see. Comment down below if you want to see me suffer and my ulcer bleed out. It's not that bad. It used to be, but I've healed it, I think. Yeah. But Common Ramen.
maybe a chicken wing challenge. I don't know.
Yeah, it'd be cool. If you guys want to see some like stupid challenges and stuff on the channel, let us know. We're stupid, so
Yeah,
we'd
we're
probably do it.
definitely Stupid. Yep.
Yeah.
Look how many of these bugs are here. And I got a wasp right in my face. Look how many bugs are here. Are these like considered kissing bugs or something like that? Some weird name like that, but like why? I've never seen so many of these red bugs at once.
What is it?
I don't know. It's like, I think these are like some type of beetle. From my understandings, I don't think these are actually very good if you get bit by them, especially if there's a wasp beside you like this. Like, shut up! I flicked it, a bug, and it just blew up.
Check this thing out. It's like a bacon onion burger. It's probably one of the better burgers I've had in like general. This thing's so freaking good.
Fries
Got
are
some
good.
French fries too. Let's mow down and get back to the track. We don't know what just happened. One of our guys went down the track and it doesn't look like he pulled the chute or the chute didn't work, so he smashed brakes. This is super nerve-wracking. Everyone went down to go make sure he was okay. It was a bunch of smoke, so we don't know if he caught a bit of dirt. If he's okay, we don't know. I think he did a good time though. I think he hit like an 8.9, which is really good, but that was scary. I don't know if I caught it or not. This is the clip after, but goddamn.
Front right tire blew. That was it.
Holy shit, man. My heart dropped for Danny. Holy shit. But he had a good time. 8.9 too?
8.9.
8.9.
yeah.
Dude, that is... Everyone's heart just dropped. Holy shit. This is the realities of racing, especially with super fast cars. Anything can happen. Crazy, man. Just glad he's okay. Tire popped. It could have been a lot worse. It does look good on Volks though. So this was Danny's sidewall. I think we said it was 178 kilometers. It was 178 miles.
Yeah, miles.
When something was on the track, it punctured the tire.
Fuck.
Holy shit, dude. You held this together. That was a perfect run in my opinion, with considering what happened. Dude, oh yeah. Oh, 178 miles per hour, tire pops at the very end of the track, and he held the car together. Dude.
Now it's time to go fix it and go again.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, dude, you're dialed in today. You're dialed in. Thing, yo, this is the second Alpha 5 I've seen in person. This thing is running Regas. This thing's so nice. Desmond's also side by side. This is a good comparison side by side of the FK8 and the FL5. They are so different from each other, it's insane. The FL5 is definitely wider than the FK8. I don't know, I'm a big fan of both. Side profile, I kind of like the FK8 better.
front, I like the FL5. This is definitely a lot more refined. Like you can tell side by side, you know, they're such different cars. It's insane. Such different cars. I don't know if I'm being biased. I think the FK8 rear looks a little better, especially if you get rid of the fake vents. But the wideness from the FL5 looks so freaking nice. Like I'll definitely own either or, if you know, maybe I can afford it one day. So the question is, FL5 or FK8, Josh?
FL5, 100% all day.
Yeah, see, I don't know, man. I like the FL5, but the FK8 just is still such a good car to me. It's more, this is very, you know, hot boy racer, which maybe I am a little bit, but I can see myself driving that too. I don't know. Comment down below, what do you guys like better, FK8, FL5? They're both in white, both on Regas, and they're both beautiful in my opinion. I would love to own either or. If I had the chance just to own one and I could never own another, I'd probably just go FL5 because it's a newer car. Garage16.
Garage16, boys.
That's it.
Come and check the shop, man. You have to.
You weren't racing today, and you have an absolutely insane EK. Hopefully we can catch you next time, because you're on the road to getting sevens. You're almost hitting sevens.
We wanna try to hit the sevens this Friday, guys. If you guys come, yeah, man. We have to, bro.
What event is this? What event is this?
So this is the last Canada's Hands Up
Canada's
2023, brother. You have to come, brother.
You wanna hit it up?
I might be in Ottawa, but you can probably hit it up.
Probably, yeah.
There you
Right.
go. Make sure you get footage, at least.
100%.
But hey, we're gonna wish him best of luck. His car is mainly built, I'm gonna say, with the Garage16 parts, and he has one of the most insane freaking EK drag cars there is.
Exactly. 99% of the parts is Garage16.
Yeah.
Come and check us out.
Yeah.
1% is Honda Canada.
Is this your car?
Yeah,
What year?
90 SI.
You sure? I don't see the spoiler.
The sunroof open.
All right, Joshua.
Let's go home.
It's been a fun time.
All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a GRP track day event. We showed you some circuit cars, a lot of drag racing, and it was a super dope day. Joshua,
See you later.
peace out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Later.